Hi, this is IBM Museum. I wanted to redo the video where I'm soldering in these bridge pieces again. I have smaller tools now and it's a lot easier to work with those. Yeah, we'll go through and we'll check that out with the voltmeter. But look at that, with the smaller tools, my soldering iron even turned off. Normally that's a lower temperature of this little unit. It's actually powered over a USB connection. And that was even turned off, and I was able to hit that little bridge piece, and it looks like it soldered it in place. So let's go through. Now I will turn the soldering iron off. Now it's two higher temperatures to that as well. Probably gets very warm to do things. There's our voltmeter to go through and check to see how good my soldering job was. Common, doesn't really matter what color for continuity, but common is pin 72. We'll go to R4, which shows as open, and R4 is pin 70. Pin 69 is R3, and that is closed now. Going to R2, which is pin 68 on the SIMM, and then to R1, which is still open, and that is pin 67. So that was just so much quicker with the right tools in this case. That's all I have for today. This is IBM Museum. Thank you.